If you need to restrict some of your products in some countries or even continents, you'll need the Advanced Country Restrictions plugin. With this plugin, you can restrict products in the countries or continents you need. However, if you want to edit all products with a specific attribute or all products containing a specific keyword, it's a bit difficult because you can't filter your products to apply the change to hundreds of them. That's why we want to show you how to edit hundreds of products with country restrictions by keyword, attribute or tag using the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin, which helps you edit hundreds of products in one spreadsheet. You can also change hundreds of regular prices, product types, categories, status, attributes, featured images, etc. in seconds using the spreadsheet and its powerful bulk edit tool. You'll find the links to download the plugins in the description of this video. Also, you can find a link to our written guide. To edit the country restrictions of your products individually in the spreadsheet, just go to the Countries and Continents column and select the countries or continents in which you need to restrict your products. You can also drag the information to copy it to other products. In this column, you can add a link for customers from restricted countries to be redirected. Once you're done, don't forget to save your changes. This option is very useful if you need to restrict only a few products, or products that do not share any parameters, to be filtered and edited in bulk. Let's now learn to filter the products by keyword. To do this, open the search tool. Once the tool is open, decide how you want to filter your products, and enter the values in the corresponding fields. In this case, we'll search for products containing the keyword shirt. So we'll enter the keyword here. And then run the search to filter the products. Before entering the countries or continents, we have to make sure that we are restricting them and not saying that the products are available to them. To do this, we'll use the bulk edit tool. Next, select to edit the rows of the current search. Choose the column labeled available in those countries. Select clear value. Then just execute, and all the countries we enter next in the selected products will be restricted. To edit hundreds of product country restrictions in seconds, you'll need to use the bulk edit tool. Then select to edit the rows from the current search. Choose the countries and continents field. Select set value. Now enter the country codes here. US, for example, to restrict your filtered products in the United States. Finally, execute. And the selected products will be restricted in the entered country or continents. Optionally, you can add a redirection link for all the products we have just updated. To do this, we'll use the bulk edit tool. Select this option to edit the rows from our current search. Now select the restricted country redirect field. Choose set value. And enter the redirect link here. Finally, we have to execute the change. As you noticed, editing hundreds of product country restrictions is really easy with the Advanced Country Restrictions and the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugins. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the links to download the plugins in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.